Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Kavya. This is day 3 of my Kerala vlog and today I will be exploring Varkala. Come along! Took an auto to Alleppey railway station and from Alleppey we went to Varkala by train, as you can see.
We've reached the hotel, but it was closed. We rang the bell also, so nobody was there to answer us. So we are inquiring here, but I like the door. It's so nice.
Good, like me.
This is our room. And they've put one sofa here, one sitting area here, and the room. Let's check the washroom. Oh, washroom is nice. Dun, 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 dun. Unfortunately, my password was. This one was locked, and I don't know. Somehow we watched some video and we tried some trick, and it's open now. Let's get ready.
Guys, we are all ready. We slept for 2 hours and now we are leaving to the destination. I think probably it would be Varkala beach, Varkala main beach.
We left the hotel room and we were all super hungry, so we just directly went to eat food. And as you can see, Varkala is full of beaches and nature. Oh my god, the beauty, I can't even explain. Utak na hogidu Fab in Arabia anta. It was good restaurant and we had good food there.
Here for food now. We've ordered mandi, and here you can see the chicken, and that's the mandi plate we've already served. Headed to Anjangu Fort now. We finished our brunch. It's a fort in Varkala. Let's see how it is. I will show you guys.
Now Hokid Dina, the weather was so beautiful, the clear skies, no rain, nothing. It was like the perfect day for us, and here is the fort.
This is the fort, guys. Let's get inside and see how it is.
So inside was like this. It was more like a park.
Let's go outside. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಊರವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತಂತೆ, ಸೊ ಮಾತಾಡ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ? Hello! Good view. I'm sorry, I'm shaking the camera a lot. I need to learn the camera work even more. I'm still a noob in this one. But can you see the beach? It is so good. My cap is not capping today. My hair is not airing because I've not taken bath in 3 days already. So,
Lol, small correction. I meant I didn't wash my hairs.
actually I recommend evening time for this place because in evening you can actually enjoy the view, beach view. This is the lighthouse. Sorry, we changed the plan from beach to the lighthouse. We came to lighthouse now. We took tickets. We are going up now. I'll go up and show you guys the view.
I don't know ಎಷ್ಟು steps ಇತ್ತು, but ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಇತ್ತು.
Climbed already. My heart is beating so fast, bro.
ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ there were these steps also. Actually it was kind of fun. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಜೋಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಸೊ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. Small struggle was totally worth it because of the views. One side beach and one side the coconut trees and everything was so beautiful. Right after that we went to Varkala main beach. ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೆಸ್ಮರೈಸಿಂಗ್. ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿತ್ತು. Views ನೋಡ್ತಾ we already reached. Let's just hear this sound for like 2 seconds and let's feel the peace.
This is actually Varkala main beach, but there is a cliff there. We'll go later, but right now come back.
ಬೀಚಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಟ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೆಂಗೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗೋಗಿತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಲಿಫ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಕಲಾ ಕ್ಲಿಫ್. ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಂತೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ಶೋರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲವ್ ಇಟ್. ಈಗಲೂ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಅಲೆಗಳ ಸೌಂಡ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೀಚ್ ಗರ್ಲ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ದಿನ ಕರೆದ್ರೂ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಬೀಚ್. ಕ್ಲಿಫಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಓಡಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ವಿ ಕುಡಂಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ರೀಚ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಫುಡ್ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾ ಫುಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ವಿ ಏಟ್ ಫುಡ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಫಿಶ್ ನೂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಏಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೀ ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್. After that we had a little dessert treat as well. This dessert was like so good. ಊಟ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು we directly went to our hotel. Life becomes easy when you stop being desperate. With that quote, let's end this vlog. Thank you.